Good morning from Bucharest, Romania. Today is Monday and we decided to go to the seaside for 2 days. Temperature 6 degrees at the moment. Not sure how close this is. It was supposed to be a very nice day, no clouds. Seaside should be during the day a bit warmer than here in Bucharest. Let's see how it's gonna be. Look at this, all the birds. So now it's really foggy. It looked worse. It's at the moment here it shows on the dashboard -1 degrees. Let's see how it's gonna develop. But I'm pretty sure it will be fantastic. So it's still foggy. You can see on my glove there's some ice building up from the fog because we have -2 degrees, which is quite funny. But there you can see, good gear is mandatory. If you don't have good gear, just forget about it, riding at these temperatures. Fog is gone, only sporadically. We have now 4 degrees. Now this is the Danube crossing. You see on the right side, this is the railway bridge. That's the Danube. Very nice. Now we reached the coast. Here we have a small airplane. It's a centerpiece of a roundabout. We are in Tuzla. Now we're going down to the coast side. Let's see how it's gonna be. Now we are at Black Sea. This is Arthur, my riding companion for now, and I'm his. Our 2 bikes, Honda NC750X and Ducati Multistrada 950. In the back, not much to see. It's November, everything is harvested. The only good thing now is definitely no people. Now we're gonna go down further. We try to reach this small coastal pass, which goes quite far in this direction. We'll see how we can pass and how far. Will be for sure a nice ride going along the coast. Weather is quite nice for mid-November. It's only very little wind, almost none. It's just gorgeous. So now we are on this road down. It's gorgeous so far. It's concrete road. A few mud holes we've seen in between. Be careful with these stones. Gorgeous, look at that. Look at that. see all these muscle cells. We said, okay, we are not sure if they're okay for our tires, but well, let's see. Oh goodness, how the sun is coming down. Looks good. Ah, perfect. Gata. Oh, it goes all around.
Yeah. No major
Wonderful,
problem.
wonderful. So, we made it.